Menopause is the end of your menstrual cycles. The term is sometimes used to describe the changes you go through just before or after your periods stop, marking the end of your reproductive years. You've reached menopause if you don't have periods or spotting for a year. Declining estrogen levels can negatively affect your metabolism, potentially leading to weight gain. These changes may also affect your cholesterol levels and your digestion of carbohydrates. Many women experience symptoms such as hot flashes and sleep problems. Trusted source during this transition period. Additionally, hormonal changes lead to decreased bone density, which research trusted source indicates can increase your risk of fractures. However, making changes in your diet may help relieve menopause symptoms and promote optimal health during this phase of life. Dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, contain calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins D and K, all of which are essential for bone health. Healthy fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids, may benefit women going through menopause. Foods highest in omega-3 fatty acids include fatty fish, such as mackerel, salmon, and anchovies, and seeds, such as flaxseed, chia seeds, and hemp seeds. Whole grains are high in nutrients, including fiber and B vitamins such as thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, and pantothenic acid. Some examples of whole grain foods are brown rice, whole wheat bread, barley, quinoa, oats, Khorasan wheat, kamut, and rye. Look for whole grain listed as the first ingredient on the label when evaluating which packaged foods contain primarily whole grains. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. A 2020 study found that women who ate more fruits and vegetables had fewer menopausal symptoms than women who ate less of those foods. However, it's generally recommended to eat the rainbow of fruits and vegetables in order to get all the necessary vitamins and minerals. Phytoestrogens are compounds in foods that act as weak estrogens in your body. Foods that naturally contain phytoestrogens. Trusted source include soybeans, chickpeas, peanuts, flaxseed, barley, grapes, berries, plums, and green and black tea. The decline in estrogen from menopause is linked to decreased muscle mass. Trusted source and bone strength. For this reason, women going through menopause should eat more protein. Foods high in protein include eggs, meat, fish, legumes, and dairy products. Additionally, you can add protein powders to smoothies or baked goods. Incorporating dairy products, healthy fats, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, foods high in phytoestrogens, and quality protein sources into your diet may help relieve some menopause symptoms. Please like and subscribe for more such informations.